a threshold, and the threshold is the door. I think the door is a fantastic touch because when you open the door, you would see the low ceiling, the narrow hallway, and the clutter that is inside.
Are you on? It looks shit. Hello? Hello? If you're wondering, this is how I sync my audio. I need to put a hat on. Hey. Shit. Hey. This keyboard, can you see it? Pretty big. It's very loud. No one likes a loud keyboard, so I introduced you... Where did I put it? Oh shit. The Akko World Tour Tokyo. Oh, dude, don't message me. No, I don't want the notifications. Stop. Mute. I introduced you a sleek Akko World Tour Tokyo. This is a 60% keyboard. I got it for about £70. My wallet is dying. Please subscribe. It is beautiful. It has yellow switches, linear. They are looped by moi. They sound gorgeous. I think it still looks quite, sleek, stylish, beautiful. I also modded it quite a bit, but don't really matter. No, do not. No, I don't want the mute. I don't want the mute. I don't want the notifications. Don't stop. I'll deal with that later. But there's one problem. After my 5th keyboard, you'd think that I'd type a bit quicker. Bruh.